Hi, my name is Bob Underhill. I'm the Managing Director of Lawnmaster UK. We're based here in St Asaph in Denbighshire. What we do at Lawnmaster is we treat domestic lawns as well as commercial lawned areas, so anyone who wants a perfect area of lawn uses our service. We established our business in the 1990s, then through franchising we franchised out in 2002. We've steadily grown the business every year since then. Part of that growth has been due to the fact that we have used IT, we've used a website, the way we advertise for franchisees. Some of the key factors to our success has been without doubt due to our investment in software. The key with the software is it's helped us to be more efficient and run an efficient business. What's absolutely been crucial to us is to have a good broadband connection, and this has made it very, very easy for us to manage our software online and to be able to, with a couple of clicks of a mouse, be onto the franchisee's computer and sorting out some of the problems that they've got immediately as they've happened. We're talking about social media and also websites such as YouTube. It's a great platform to show people that are looking for your service. They can see how you work. It's a really great way for building trust with your customer. We've uploaded over 40 videos in the last couple of months. We've had over 122,000 hits in this time. And people have actually phoned us and said they've seen the video online and they would like that particular service. My advice for anyone in business is to reinvest in IT, reinvest in the software, invest in your website, become known and to get yourselves more efficient.